Hi everyone, we're going to write f of x in vertex form. So this is our vertex form right here, and it's in standard form here. This is a equals 1, b equals 2, and c equals 5. So we'll be looking at this b part because we're going to complete the square and then name the vertex, axis of symmetry, and direction of opening. And I'm going to also sketch a graph as well. So let's get started. Complete the square. What I want to do is first write this with y equals x squared plus 2x plus 5. I'm going to go ahead, I know you don't have to, but I'm going to go ahead and move this 5 over because I want to subtract it from both sides to show you where the vertex really is coming from. And now let's complete the square. And whatever we put on this side of the equation, the right-hand side, we have to put on the left-hand side. All right, so what we're doing is we're taking our b and divide it by 2 and square it. So that's going to be 1 squared is 1. So you're adding to 1 to both sides. Now you get y minus 4 equals x. And let's go ahead and condense this now. It's a perfect square trinomial, so we can write this as 1 plus half of the 2, which is 1. Take that and square it. So if you do your vertex from here, remember your vertex is going to be your distance from 0. So if you set this piece to 0, you get x equals negative 1. Because you subtract 1 from both sides. So this is going to be negative 1. If you subtract the y portion from, if you set this to 0 and add 4 to both sides, you get 4. Now vertex form means we're just going to move this y back over. So we're going to have y equals x plus 1 squared, and you add 4 to both sides. So that's why this one stays the same and this number is opposite. Because really the 4 goes with the y. All right, now let's look at everything. Axis of symmetry is your x portion. In this case, they call it the h. So that's going to be x equals negative 1 is your axis of symmetry. And since it's positive here, it opens upward. By the way, our y-intercept, because I am going to graph this, is 5. And when x is 0, plug in 0 here, you get y is 5. So let's go ahead and graph this. We're going to get our vertex is negative 1, 4. Our y-intercept is 5. So that's 5. And our axis of symmetry is x equals negative 1. And it opens upward. So here's your vertex. It's symmetric, so if our y-intercept's there, we also have a point there. And then you can just kind of sketch it, and it opens upward. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.